throw the oysters when I'm done with them.
I didn't get one.
All right. First oyster. The stairs are behind me, so if you guys want to wait and see if anything scary happens there.
Veronica, that's not her favorite name in the house.
Veronica.
No offense, Veronica.
They won't bother you. Ooh, that one's pretty.
Oh,
No, sorry.
I'm gonna take it.
I wish. No twins in there.
I just saw something the same color.
It's a purple.
That was like a champagne purple.
Dang it, Angel. Sorry, Veronica. You know I had to. Don't tell me not to do something. I'm going to do it. Mom knows.
Veronica. I said it wrong. Veronica.
Yay! These are white twins.
This looks like a wedding. That would be good for a wedding
No.
earring.
No triplets.
That would be good for wedding earrings.
Oh, those are beautiful.
Pure white.
That would be good for wedding earrings.
Pure white. You'll see how white once it's on the sand, but very, very white.
Yeah, they would be the best for wedding earrings.
Let's do it again.
I said twins tonight.
We need more.
Is that Sarah?
Yes. No, it's very pretty light blue though.
It's a Patty's sister.
It's Sarah. No, it's Patty's sister. No, different Sarah. She doesn't ever come to the live, baby. She just puts in the order and then I send her pictures of what she got. She works at the hospital. She's always busy in my life. Huh, this one opened funny.
It doesn't smell good in here.
There we go. A light, I would call that a mint green. Pretty. The mint green. It'll look better once I put the lens on. Then go inside.
I can't. It's too cold.
Don't worry about it. And the last one is a cream. It has a light pink tint to it. No twins. Alright, let me measure those. That purple is a 7.5. The one light blue is a 7. The mint green, it's really pretty. It's very light green. A 7. The cream a 7.5. And then we have the twins. Identical white twins. Same size and everything. A 7 and a 7. They're a big 7. Small 7.5. But they do 7. Put the lens on. There's the twins. The cream, the mint green, the aqua blue, and the purple. Really pretty. Mark that as completed. Thanks, Grandma. They are really pretty.
Oh, hydrate, Nana.
Alright, no more orders. So, I package these up. The purple is really, really pretty. Here they are. You can see how purple that is in the bag. Really, really pretty purple. Hey, you can see them again. Do you like them, Mom? Those two whites that are next to each other, those were the twins. They're pretty twins. Yeah, the purple is gorgeous, so I love that one. Alright. And that's it for orders. If you guys want to play games, we can do that. And then I'll end the live for the night. I still have to drive home from this place, so, and I hate driving in the dark. So let's play Shuck It or Chuck It first. Try and get whoever wants to play a number 1 through 13. That'll determine what your prize is. This game costs $49.95 to play. Every prize is $55 or higher. And it says 5. And you would have gotten $40 off any bracelet and 1 oyster. Would you like to shuck that or chuck it? I don't know where Kyle is.
Just wait.
Yeah. Blame Kyle. You might be sleeping. Susan.
3.
Hi, Kyle. I'm going to do some more first.
Yeah. Nana was playing first. She already did one. 3 oysters is what you would have ended up with. All right, Sophia wants 8. Am I right about that? Yeah, 8.
Something in the bathroom.
8. 4 oysters. Sophia, would you like to shuck that or chuck it? You can't do any better than that because I didn't bring my jar with me. Yeah. That's an $80 value.
Okay, shove it.
Yeah. Hi, Donna.
Smells good.
Would anyone else like to play? If not, we're going to move on to You versus a Dealer. This game costs $26.95.
Sorry, I didn't know I was gonna do that.
This game costs $26.95 to play, and I need 2 numbers, 1 through 10, for you to play it. What are you doing?
Try to get them in the refrigerator without making noise. A little bit of rattling and it'll rattle your regular guest. Ready?
Veronica says 5 and 9. My face-up card is a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Veronica can't be beat. She got 20. And I have 7. So she would have won 2 oyster openings there, Sophia. She would have won 2 oyster openings for winning that. Would anybody else like to play? If not, we're going to move on to Lucky 27. This game costs $26.99 to play, and if you lose, you get 3 oyster openings, and if you win, you get 6 oyster openings, which it's $119 in value. So I need 4 numbers, 1 through 10, for you guys to play this one. Your whole point is to try to hit 27 on the dot. Two, 5, and 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. 1, 2. Grandma, you didn't give me enough numbers to begin with. We're at 9, so I need a bunch more numbers from you. Then that's not enough numbers. I need at least 4 numbers, 1 through 10, but I might end up needing more than that. I'm waiting for Grandma. She has 9 right now. 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're at 19. 1, 2. We're at 26. So we're looking for a 1, and I need 1 more number from you. We're looking for a 1. We're looking for a 1. That's only 3 numbers. I need 4 numbers. 1. And that's a 7, so that's a bust. But she still would have gotten 3 oyster openings, even though she lost. Daddy said 1, 3, 5, and 6. and then Sophia, and that looks like you and Daddy are the last. Unless I missed one. 1, 2, 3, 7. Alright, this one's for Kim. 1, 2, 3. We're at 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at 22. So we're looking for a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's a 9. So that's a bust. But he would have gotten 3 oyster openings, even though he lost. And the next one is Sophia's.
Just counting by 2, 3, 4, 6.
Okay. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at 23, so we're looking for a 4. And that's a 10, so that's a bust.
Then I'm going to pick 9.
And there's only one other game that we offer on the website, and that is the dice game. It is called Risk It. This game costs $42.99 to play, and if I roll 1 or 2, you get 1 oyster opening. If I roll 3 or 4, you get 2, and a 5 or 6, you get 3. After I roll the first time, if you don't like your prize, you can decide to risk it, and I'll roll again, but whatever you get the second time is what you keep. So my first roll was a 2. That would be when you guys, whoever's playing, decides if they'd like to risk it. That's only worth 1 oyster opening. So we're going to risk it. And the second roll is a 4. So we would have gone up to 2 oyster openings, and that's what you would have won for that game. And that's all the games that we have. Mom said risk it. Absolutely. Definitely risk it when you only get 1. That's all the games we have. I don't think I have any other orders tonight. Just the one. So I'll probably end the live. I will be live again on Wednesday, but I need to end it because I got to take Sophia home, and she's got homework to do. Yes. And it's late. Yeah, that's fine. Anyways, so I hope you guys have a good night. I know it was a quick one tonight, but
Someone will be going live later on.
if anybody wants to watch a live for the haunted house, Paul and Link will be going live later. While they're here, Paulie's spending the night, and so is Nancy. So.
And Marty.
Well, yeah, Link is the one that got the house. Of course, he's spending the night. All right, guys. I always Link file. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a good night. I will see everybody on Wednesday. Everyone be safe, and thank you for stopping by. Have a good night. Bye.
And you're going to say hashtag blame Kyle.
We always blame Kyle.
I feel like hashtag blame Kyle. Nothing else but
Why would we
hashtag
not
blame
blame
Kyle?
Kyle?
No. I think nobody knows Kyle.
That's even more fun to blame them.
Facebook flooded.
How was it?
It was good.
Do you have my bag? I want to see it in person.
Yeah.
Where? No, I mean, no, I want you to get up and run. I just want
Yeah, I wanna see this too and see which ones I can steal.
I always, see them on the computer. Oh my God, there's so many.
Yeah, those blue ones are
Yeah.
twins.
Right.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yes.
You got that brown one, that's a really
Oh, right,
weird color.
Nancy has to have this window.
What's the one next to it? Gray, they're gray?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay.
They're really pretty. You got a really nice bowl. Oh, which one's the unicorn?
I didn't even get my earrings in yet. Got my earrings in. A unicorn? Yeah, you should have.
Okay, so this is blue.
Oh, you were saying it's two colors.
Yeah, it's a mermaid, or you call it a
That's what they
unicorn.
call it?
Some people call it unicorn, some people call it mermaid.
Oh.
It's blue,
Yeah.
but
But it looks different color every
Yeah.
now and then.
it'll change to green,
Oh.
a little bit of purple sometimes.
Okay. I didn't watch tonight. All the stuff to me. How did it go?
Shame on you.
I know. But, I mean,
Oh, what's wrong with you, Link?
the house affected me today. It's really bad. I gotta take a pill and I don't know where I put them. Yeah, I got you this chair because I couldn't find enough chairs. I'm
I
like, what about this
appreciate
chair?
It was comfy.
Yeah, I thought so. I thought it would be better. I didn't get to sweep and mop like I usually do when I come here. I don't know, this time it was just a cluster.
I don't think anyone cares like that.
Yeah, they do. Well, I do. You know, I mean,
Oh, yeah.
it's shit everywhere, and I just
Nobody's judging.
Well, there was leaves and everything in here, and I was like, how did all this stuff blow in here?
Hey, do you hire up? My house could use
Yeah,
some
I
cleanup.
So throw them all the way up here. But
Is the road slippery at all? Yeah.
does who do what?
The road is slippery.
No, road's slippery at all.
Alright.
Slide at me.
I don't like driving at night.
Watch the deer because it is mating season. I was looking at my Ring camera on a neighbor's site. Somebody started shooting deer in a park right by my house. Really?
That's not right. People are,
We're in the city, come on.
yeah,
Hunting season isn't in the city.
exactly. People are ridiculous.
Wait, I have to watch that video then.
Okay, but you're gonna do homework, okay? As soon as you get home.
There's no sink in the kitchen.
No,
No. I thought there might have been one, but it's now all counter.
strange.
I'm like, well, that's where the sink is, because the window's right.